you're in the right place, because in this video we're going to share 6 shocking secrets that will make a man miss you like crazy. I promise you that these tips will make him want you more and more, and they're so powerful that they'll have him counting down the minutes until he can see you again. If you're ready to take your love life to the next level, make sure to watch this video through to the end, because you'll have the ability to make any man miss you like crazy. After watching it, don't hesitate any longer. Press the play button to begin. Be a little mysterious. Yes, you should be a little mysterious. Having your connection a little more mysterious might be the secret to having him miss you terribly. This is the offer. The more men think about you, the more they will miss you. But how do you add this touch of mystery? Men are like detectives. They love to explore and learn new things. Therefore, when you are a little mysterious, it's like a puzzle for them to solve. They will be trying to figure out what's going on in your gorgeous head. First, don't be always available. Instead, make him work for your time, which will make him appreciate it more when he does have it. Secondly, don't give him all of your personal information at once. Instead, let him learn new things about you gradually, which will keep him interested and wanting to know more. Finally, think about your social media presence. You don't have to post every detail of your life on Facebook or Instagram. Keep some things private and let him wonder what you're up to. This will make him miss you more and want to be a part of your life. Love. Being a little mysterious is one of the best ways to make a man miss you like crazy, because it will make him curious and eager to learn more about you, which will make him value your time and appreciate you more. This is the thrill of the chase, so don't make it too easy for him. Instead, be a little distant, play hard to get, and make him work for your affection. Prove to him that you have a life. Men prefer women who have a life, and I don't just mean a life with them. I mean a life outside of the relationship. It's crucial to let your partner know that you have interests and pastimes that you're passionate about, because, believe me, this will encourage him to join you in your life. He might start to take you for granted if you're always available and have nothing else going on. But if you have a busy schedule and a fulfilling life outside of the relationship, he'll see that you're a catch and want to be a part of it. Additionally, maintaining your friendships will show him that you have a support system and aren't just depending on him for social interaction. Next, tell him about your interests and hobbies. For example, if you enjoy painting, let him know, and perhaps even invite him to watch you paint. If you enjoy working out, ask him to join you so he can see what you're passionate about and perhaps even join in on the fun. Finally, make time for yourself, whether it's reading a book, going to yoga, or just taking a bubble bath. This will show him that you're more than just a couple and that you have interests and passions of your own. In other words, letting him know that you have a life outside of the relationship will encourage him to join you. Sharing your interests and hobbies, keeping up friendships, and scheduling time for yourself are all excellent ways to demonstrate to him that you're a catch-3 show. Show interest in his life, and hobbies interest in his life, and hobbies show them that you care and that you're interested in their life. One of the best ways to do this is by taking an interest in their hobbies and things they enjoy. Not only will it make them feel special and appreciated, but it will also help you to bond and connect on a deeper level. For example, if your man is into sports, try to learn a little bit about his favorite teams and ask him about his thoughts on recent games. We're players, or if he's into music, ask him to recommend some of his favorite bands or songs, and take a listen, even if you're not particularly interested in the same things he is showing. That you're willing to try new things and learn about what he loves will go a long way. It's also important to remember to give him space and time to pursue his hobbies. Don't be overbearing or try to change his interests. In short, showing interest in the things he enjoys and making him feel special is a great way to build a deeper connection with your man. It's important to remember to keep it playful and not to force anything, and most importantly, respect his interests and give him space to explore them. And don't forget, everyone likes to feel special and appreciated, so take the time to show your man that you care about him and his hobbies. Play hard to get girls. Fourth, play hard to get females. It's time to focus on those I'm not interested in since, as you know, playing hard to get may be a hidden weapon when it comes to dating and relationships. The idea is to be a little bit busy and a little bit hard to get, but not completely out of reach. Make him work for your attention and time. You know, it's all about finding that sweet spot where he's hooked, but still wants more. And I promise that he'll be chasing you like a lovesick puppy in no time. So go ahead and let your inner fort shine and play a little hard to get. He'll be falling head over heels for you. Put an end to the discussion first. 5. End the conversation first. It's all about playing it cool. You don't need to come across as too desperate or clingy when you're chatting with him, whether it's over the phone in person or through text. Make sure you're the one to end the conversation first. It's a little tease, leaving him wanting more. He'll be thinking about you and the conversation for a while. And trust me, he'll be excited to talk to you again. It's all about creating a sense of mystery and intrigue and making him want more of your time and attention. But don't just cut him off mid-sentence. Wait for a natural ending point in the conversation, like when the topic has been exhausted or when he's about to go do something else. It's important to be respectful and considerate of his time. It's a subtle but effective way to keep him interested. And let's be real, who doesn't love a little bit of a chase? It's all about creating that sense of excitement and anticipation that will make him miss you and long for more conversations. So go ahead, play it cool, and end the conversation first. It'll have him missing you and longing for more convos. Remember, less is more, and mystery and intrigue can be incredibly powerful in keeping a guy interested. 6. Be content. Be content. Nothing is more attractive than a woman who is content with herself. When you're content and happy, you exude confidence and positivity. It's like a magnet. And let's face it, who doesn't want to be around that kind of energy? When you're content, it lets him know that you don't need him to approve of you or make you happy. But don't get me wrong, it's great to have him share in your happiness. But if you show him that you're content and happy without him, he'll want to join you even more. So, go ahead and focus on yourself, do what makes you happy, and everything else will work itself out. Keep in mind that happy girls are the prettiest, and nothing is more attractive than a woman who is content and happy with herself. These relationship tips aren't just about attracting men. They're also about creating a solid and healthy relationship. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.